It's a good time to take a vacation. There will only be scavengers trading in these markets the next 2 weeks. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, the 19th of December. And, well, what a football weekend. And if you had New England, as I did, you're about ready to jump. But in the meantime, it is really a pretty dead market. They've been higher, they've been lower. They're lower right now. But they're so thin, they can go anywhere. And again, as I've said all along, these 2 weeks coming up, the professionals are gone. You got skeleton crews working everywhere. And, unless there's some major news item, and I'm not talking about, something that we could not expect, I would expect just a wild drifting market that could go either way without thinking about it. So in the meantime, we are still long the four major indices. Excuse me. We're still long the four major indices. No, we're short the Russell. Excuse me. And the Dow is up right now. The rest are lower. Okay. In the crude oil market, crude is running again. I'm assuming we'll be changing shortly here. They continue to push it higher. We're still in the mid 70s, but again, I think that next year you might see a big boom market in commodities, including oil, and a probably potential at new highs. Gold and silver are flattish around the flat line. Not much going on. We're still long both. Bonds and notes are getting clobbered, and of course, we're still long both. We'll see where it goes from here. I mean, as you know, I've said every day that I think that they're going lower, and I didn't like being long them, and I still don't like being long them. But that's, again, I don't fade or trade against the system. The dollar is lower, we're short. The euro is higher, we're long, and both are virtually around unchanged. Nothing to get too excited about. Bitcoin is a little bit lower again. It's really stuck between that 15,000, 18,000 level right now. The copper is higher, we're long. Nat gas is, excuse me. Nat gas is lower and we're short. In the grain markets, you're seeing, pretty ugly action today, down across the board. We are short corn, we are short wheat, we are long soybeans. Again, I think that this action means nothing to me until after the year's over. In the protein complex, pretty flat across the board. We're long cattle, short hogs. And in the softs, cocoa is higher, we're short. Cotton is flat, we're short. Sugar is higher, we're long. OJ is lower, we're long. And coffee is lower, and we're short. Again, I don't see much. It's been pretty much of a real nothing market. So just be careful. If you're going to trade, which I am not going to, but if you're going to, just be careful. Okay, obviously I'll carry my positions as always, but I'm not going to be actively involved in these markets. Don't forget about our sponsors. Check them out. They've got some great deals, and by the two brokers we use are by far the best in the industry. Now I have others, but again, my money's with the two main ones because they're the ones who take care of me and take care of my members the best. Trade Your Brokerage. You can see their information scrolling on the side, and Capital Trading Group. Okay, and don't forget about our high school program, which this may be the last year because it's too much work trying to give something away for free to help educate our youth, which is another that pisses the shit out of me. In the meantime, we got a football game tonight, which is a real dog. I wouldn't even know where to tell you to go. Certainly, I guess I'd lean towards taking the 7 points of the Rams, but I have no opinion, no position. And everybody have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.